Picture yung ibang ko ba? Eve. Cute kayo.
Arrange your chairs according to beauty.
Green.
Okay, good morning, class. Again. Good morning, class. Good morning.
Lia. Picture.
Class, let me ask.
Kampay, ang kampay.
July. So what are we going to celebrate every July? Yes, very good. Nutrition month. Okay, so that is why
Ito ka na ako.
today our lesson is all about nutrition. Okay, open your
Picture ko rin.
Okay. So ako na lang po class para ma-help kita. May giveaways. Okay. Dito, ulay another answer. Mag-exercise. Dalia. How about you, Dalia? What is your idea? Dalia. Sige, because of the stigma alive si Daliano, do you want to have a date? Okay, so since you want a date, can you group yourself into two? Wait, so, bilang mo ka po, count yourself. Okay, sura man, di ba? Okay, please listen. Basta ako ba? So we have to divide our parts equally. Kato yes, okay, bawal naman ang bullying class, diba? Listen po, kami naman mga bullying. Sige. Dalia. Okay, next time, Dalia ha. Ano ka kaya? Okay, so since, okay, nagmana ka sa today, congratulations, group 2! Okay, ha? Tidak na makamuta ko. Next time. Okay, so that's it for today. Goodbye, class. See you tomorrow. Mabalot!
Cute kayo. Cute guys. Cute guys.
Pagkakay sa kabulan! Uy, naman!
Cute guys.
Sisiyan pa sa iwas ang mga estudyante. Uy, good morning, class! Good morning! I know the energy, especially down here. Great day. Teacher! Nasa ka-improvement mo?
Cute guys.
Very good. And because of that, celebrate na sa atong combination sa nutrition month. Gusto mo malayo ka sumpa? Okay, so sige, malayo ka sumpa. Opo, sa ang nutrition dali. Yes, we are women, but we all know that we can go. We can go every time as a team. Go as a team.
Taking care of our body by eating the right kind of food is a form of self-discipline and respect. Choosing healthy meals gives strength, energy, and long life, while careless eating can harm our health. Food that you eat today shapes the quality of your tomorrow. Remember, the greatest